You can now randomize the question order when you're drafting a survey. You'll want to do this if your survey has several similar questions, as this minimizes the bias created by the order within which you draft the questions. In order to do this, go to the card list on the left-hand side. Click Randomise, and then select the questions you wish to randomize. You can select questions of any type, and they don't need to be consecutive, but they can't be qualifying questions, text cards, or questions that feature piping or routing. When you've finished, click Done. You can see by the dot that this question is one of the randomized ones. You can also see in the preview function that this is a randomized question. The respondent won't know that this is randomized, but it gives you even greater confidence in your results because they'll be free from order bias.